Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to study about an interesting poem in English, and that is poem number 17, Curiosity. Children, look at the girl in the picture. What do you see? Is she thinking about something? Yes, she is thinking about something. She is curious to know about something. Now let us understand the meaning of curiosity. Curiosity means a strong desire to know about something. If you are interested in something and wants to know more about it, then it means you are curious. When you see something and think on it and you don't find a reason behind it, you go and ask your parents about it immediately, and this is called curiosity. In this poem, there is a little girl who is very curious to know about everything. The child requests someone to tell her everything. So let's find out what are the things she wanted to know and why is she so curious to know about it. Now let me recite the first stanza. Poem 17, Curiosity. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me please everything. Students, as you all know, we have mainly 4 seasons. Spring season, rainy season, winter season and summer season. Spring season comes after winter season and before summer season. The period of this spring season is between February to March. In this season, flowers bloom and plants grow. The next question she is asking, which are the children butterflies? Children butterflies means young ones of butterflies. You can see in the picture, there are many butterflies over here. Some are big, some are in medium size and some are very small. But are the small butterflies the children of the butterflies? No. Students, you can see the picture of the life cycle of butterflies. They form an egg first. Afterwards, they form into a larva or caterpillar. After this process, they transform themselves into a pupa. They cover themselves and later they are born in an adult butterfly. There is no growth during this stage and the adult butterflies continue the cycle. Further, the girl is asking, why do people keep winking their eyes? Winking means to close and open one eye quickly. Children, when you blink your eyes, it helps the eyes to remain clean and doesn't allow any dust particles to enter our eyes. The child is more curious to know about where do birds live. Now, as you all know, birds live in their nest. She is also curious to know, do bees like to sting? As we have already learned in the earlier lesson, bees do not like to sting. But if someone troubles them, then only they sting the people and that causes pain. Sting means when honeybee or mosquito bites us, it is called stinging. Now let us go to the second stanza. Tell me, I want to know what makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow. Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits wobble their noses? Just from habits? Where does the wind, when it goes away, go? Tell me, or don't even grown-ups know? Children, there are many types of leaves. Each and every leaf have different shapes, sizes and designs. But the girl wants to know how the leaf takes its shape when they grow. It is because each plant has their own design, shape and size. She also wants to know about the goldfish. Why do goldfish keep chewing? When the goldfish eat their food, it doesn't remain in their body for long and they produce more waste, and then they try to bite their teeth in order to get more food. The girl is so curious to know, why do rabbits wobble their noses? Wobble means twitch or wiggle very fast. It is just their habit. Rabbits twitch the nose because they try to smell. It helps them to search their food. The last thing the girl wants to know is about, where does the wind go? Children, can you see air? No. Can you feel air? Yes, we can feel air. Does air remain in one place? No, it cannot stay in one place. It keeps moving. In this way, the child has so many questions in her mind. The child asks the adults to tell her, or she wonders, do the grown-ups too not know all this? So students, what did you understand from this poem? We see many things in nature all around us. We are curious to know about them. Being small in age, we don't have answers to these questions. You should always be curious about the things happening around you. Now let us recite the poem. Poem number 17, Curiosity. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me please everything. Tell me, I want to know. What makes leaves grow in the shape they grow? Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits wobble their noses? Just from habits? Where does the wind when it goes away go? Tell me, or don't even grown-ups know? Now children, repeat the poem after me. Poem 17, Curiosity. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me please everything. Tell me, I want to know. What makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow? Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits wobble their noses? Just from habits. Where does the wind when it goes away go? Tell me, or don't even grown-ups know? So children, practice reciting this poem at home. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day ahead.